Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Yes, I'm filming 2 days in a row for YouTube and I feel so good about it. I feel so good and accomplished. I'm able to sit down and do 2 long form videos. But today, you guys, all right, let's talk about this. This bag is ripped, but I absolutely refuse to get rid of it because it's where I keep all my empties. And as you guys can see, there are a lot of products in here and I can't believe that I have like another empties video to like do for you guys. Like, how am I going through so many products? I don't know, but that's neither here nor there. So if you guys are interested, we're gonna get into this because there are a lot of goodies in here and I have a lot to say. I have so much to say. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go ahead and get into this because I need to be out of my house in like 20 minutes. So let's see if I can finish this in like that quick. I don't know. But anyways, you guys know I can't shut up for the life of me. But let's get into it. So we're gonna start with body oils because I think I only have 2. Yeah, I have 2 body oils. So this one I actually just finished today and this one I finished a few weeks ago and it's spilled everywhere. That's amazing. But anyways, so this one is from the brand OC and you guys, I absolutely love this body oil. It's one of my favorites. The consistency of it is so nice and hydrating. I love this for at night, like right when I do my like nighttime body care routine. I absolutely love this. And they actually just sent me another one, so I'm so excited because this one, you guys, I love it. It smells amazing. It's very like, it's a unique smell. Like it's not a smell that you would typically maybe gravitate towards, but the more you use it, the more you do like get used to it. And do I love this? 1010%. It's very, very liquidy. It's not a thick body oil, so it's very easy to like put on your skin and all of that. So for that, I absolutely love this, and especially for nighttime. Then we have Flur Missing Person. It sounded like a bee for a second and I was like, it's 20 degrees outside. There's no way there's fucking bee. Anyways, so this is Flur Missing Person. I actually am wearing this right now. I love this body oil, especially for the daytime. You guys, this smells incredible. I honestly think that this might smell better than the perfume. I don't know how that's even possible, but this, you guys, smells incredible. And I absolutely loved it for during the day, like going to work, just doing my like regular daily things. I loved it for that because it would last such a long time. Like the smell of it, oh my God. And it's a little bit of a thicker oil, so it's not as easy to like rub on as OC one, but this is definitely up there and I loved it for during the day. I would wear it every single day when I would go to work. Like I said, I'm wearing it today. I love it. And will I repurchase it? I will, but I have so many like other body oils that I need to go through. And then eventually at some point I will repurchase it. I guess let's stick with like smelling good. So I have 2, I think, no, I have 3. Okay, I have 3 empty perfumes. So this one, I have no fucking clue how to pronounce this, okay? This is from Amazon. This is one of the Arabic like perfumes that everybody loves. I bought this a little over a year ago, I think almost 2 years ago now, and I absolutely love it. It is a very, very, very unique scent. So I do like to mix it with other scents, but you guys, this, oh my God, it is so unique. It is literally unlike any other perfume that I've ever smelled in my entire life. And it's very different. Like I can't say that everybody's going to gravitate towards this because at first I didn't. Like at first I was like, wait, I kind of don't like this. Like let me play around with this a little bit more. But the more I played around with it, the more I really like it. And it's under $30 and it lasts such a long time. Like I promise you, when you spray this, your entire room, your clothes, everything, your hair is going to smell like this perfume for days. I'm gonna link it below for you guys. So if you guys want to check out the notes to see if it's something you would like, I'm gonna link it. It's again, I did get mine from Amazon. So yeah, do I love it? Will I repurchase it? Yes, I will. Then we have one from Lancome, and if you guys watched my feminine hygiene video, then you know that I absolutely love Lancome perfumes. This one is, I don't even know. Is this just Idol? No, this is, oh yeah, Idol Aurora or Aura. What? Fuck, I don't know. But anyways, I absolutely love this. And yeah, it's not empty, but my sister broke it. And now I'm missing a little part that you press down to get the perfume out. So yeah, like this is considered an empty for me. But you guys, this, oh my God. I truly love this scent so much. You will smell amazing. And the best thing about Lancome perfumes, I said it in my feminine hygiene video, they will last such a long time. And you will get compliments, I promise you, from everybody around you, from strangers, from your coworkers, from literally everybody. You will get so many compliments on this perfume or Lancome perfumes in general because they smell amazing and they mix so uniquely with like everybody's like body chemistry. I absolutely love it. I do actually have another one, I'm pretty sure, somewhere in that collection over there, but if I didn't, I think I would 1000% repurchase this because I loved that perfume. So I did say I had another perfume. So this one is from Kalei and this is in the scent Eden Juicy Apple. And this one, you guys, I genuinely like love it. It reminds me of like Barbie dolls. I don't know if that's like the right way to like describe it. It's such a weird way to describe it, but it kind of reminds me of like my childhood and like playing with Barbie dolls. And you remember when they would come out with like the scented Barbies or like the scented dolls, and they would smell like the Cabbage Patch ones. This is what that reminds me of, just like a little bit more mature and sexier, and I love this perfume. The one thing I want to say though is I had it for about 2.5 years, and I noticed the longer I had it, the less long lasting it was. Like when I would spray it, it wouldn't last nearly as long as it would when I first got it. So if you do pick this up, I would recommend like not letting it sit around the way that I did. But yeah, would I repurchase it? Maybe. I don't 100% know. I do love the perfume like so much, but I do like to keep my perfumes for a long time. So I'm not 100% sure if that one I would repurchase. Maybe. Talk to me in 6 months. Maybe I will. Who knows? Okay, we have a body spray, you guys. This one is from Flur, and this is in their like newer scent Caramel Skin. And this one, you guys, this is literally fall in a bottle. Like this, when I first smelled this over the summer, I was like, oh, this is fall. So this is not a scent that I would wear year round. Absolutely not. Like I literally went through this in like September, October, and once I finished it, I was like, all right, I'm not repurchasing it, because of the fact that I wouldn't wear it all the time. So this is going to be a pass for me, just because it's a little expensive for something that I would only wear during the fall. And I can't say that I was necessarily obsessed with that perfume. Like it's not the best Fleur fragrance launch like they've ever launched. Like, it's definitely an acquired scent. It is very, very caramelly. Like if you know what caramel smells like, it's gonna be that body spray. So me, no, I wouldn't repurchase it. More. Guys, I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess. But yeah, this is J'adore by Dior. And let me just say one thing. I will 1000% fucking be repurchasing this perfume without a doubt. This is one of my favorite perfumes of all time. To me, it may not be like a younger smelling type of perfume, but you guys, Dior perfumes, Dior in general has such a special place in my heart. Their perfumes, their makeup. I think they've launched so many amazing products, and I think for a higher end brand, they're really underrated. So this perfume, yes, I will 1000% be repurchasing. I had this since 2017. Really out of my mind. I know. I literally like last week or the week before, I was like, I need to finish this because I can tell that it's expiring because it's not smelling nearly as good as it has in the past. Yeah, this I will 1000% be repurchasing at some point. Let's move on to hair. So I have 2 hair products I've spoke about a million times. This one is from IGK. This is the Good Behavior Smoothing Spray. And then this is a Living Proof Heat Styling Spray. They're both heat protectants. This one I don't use as a heat protectant. I don't know if that makes sense, but this one I literally use as one of like the last steps in my routine when I'm doing my hair. I will just spray it all over my hair to kind of give me that smoothing effect. This one I do definitely use as my heat protectant. So if I'm going to be putting a heat protectant on my dry hair, it's going to be this one from Living Proof. So for that, do I like this spray? Yes. I do kind of feel like it can be a little bit too thick for my hair type, so I won't be repurchasing her, but this one I've already repurchased. So yeah, I absolutely love this. If you're looking for a very fine heat protecting spray, if you have fine, thin hair, you're gonna love this from Living Proof. I absolutely loved it. And since I got my hair cut in September, I really started focusing on using this every single time I styled my hair. And when I just went last week to get my hair cut, she was like, wow, your hair looks really, really good. And I was like, I'm gonna attribute most of it to this because I wasn't using a heat protectant like probably as often as I should have. I was just using my leave-in as my heat protectant, and this I 1000% love. Let's get into skincare. So this from Bioma, this is their Milky Hydrating Toner. You guys, I've already repurchased this. I love this. I love this because it doesn't break me out, doesn't clog my pores. It gives you that nice milky consistency that we're all going for, that like little boost of hydration, and it's $17. So the Rhode one is like $30, the Ilia one, which I do really like, but that's like $60, and I'm sorry, I'm not spending that much on a milky toner. So this is what it's gonna be, this nice $17 milky toner. I definitely will keep repurchasing it because I absolutely love it, and like I said, I already have another one. Okay, now let's get into a little bit more of expensive, I was gonna say perfumes, skincare. This is the Lancome Genifique Serum. You guys, I have gone through bottles of this, and yes, I will continue to repurchase this. It's a hydrating serum, and it's also like anti-aging. The way that my skin feels when I put this on, I really, really, really love this serum. I know it's expensive, but you guys, Lancome and Dior, clearly I have like a soft spot for because I absolutely love their skincare. Well, Lancome skincare, I really, really enjoy this. I've never tried anything from Dior. But anyways, as my 2 high-end brands, I'm gonna have to go with Lancome and Dior because I do love them so much. And this serum, you guys, yeah, 10 out of 10. Like if you're looking for a good anti-aging hydrating serum, you're gonna wanna pick this up because she's amazing. Now, let's get into stuff that I've spoke about a million times over here. This is a Good Molecules Boosting Essence. Okay, I've spoke about this so many times. One of my subscribers actually DM'd me on Instagram, and she lives in Canada, so they don't have Ulta, and she literally DM'd me to be like, I'm in the States and I'm going to Ulta to get the Good Molecules Hydrating Essence, and I'm so excited. And I was like, oh my god, that literally warms my heart. Like that makes me so happy. I hope you liked it if you're watching. Guys, I don't use this as like a little toner that I put on my face. I put it on a cotton round and I use it to really remove any excess makeup that I have like around my hairline and stuff like that, because since I don't wash my hair every single day, when I take my makeup off, I try not to get like my hair wet. So there will be like some leftover makeup like right over here and like underneath my neck sometimes. And this, you guys, does the job, and it also just leaves my skin looking so hydrated and feeling so like looking so glowy and feeling so hydrated. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, I 1000% recommend this. This is like I think it's like $15. So it may be a little bit more on the pricier side, but you guys, I absolutely love it. And I've gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of it. I literally just repurchased it like a few weeks ago, and I bought 2 of them because I was like, I cannot be without this. Like I need this like on deck, like in constant rotation. Product that I cannot be without, that I literally keep in constant rotation, is this Kalei Grape Water. I spoke about this a million times. I use this morning and night. If you're somebody that wakes up in the morning and you're puffy and your eyes burn and you just are so exhausted, you're gonna want this. Like I have been using this for years, and I know people probably think it's just like expensive water. And with that, I say, to each their own. It is 1000% like expensive water, but with this, you guys, you're just, any extra I'm just putting on my skin, you're literally paying for an experience. It is so hydrating and refreshing, and if you need a pick-me-up in the morning, this is going to be for you. And also, in case you guys didn't know, if your skin is not wet when you're applying your like moisturizers and stuff, it's not gonna absorb into your skin the way that it needs to. So think of your skin as like a sponge. When a sponge is dry, it doesn't absorb any water. When a sponge is wet, that's when it absorbs everything. So same thing with your skin. So if you're not using water or something, or like a hydrating toner or something on your skin to get it like nice and damp before you go in with your skincare, it's not gonna work the same way, or it's not gonna benefit you like the way that it needs to. So this, you guys, I ride for it. I literally have travel sizes of this so that when I travel, like I'm not without it. Like that's how committed I am to this. So I ride for that spray. Another product from Bioma, this is their Lip Tide Lip Mask. You guys, I really did like this, but I was a little bit disappointed because it's marketed as a lip mask, but it didn't last like a lip mask would. But I'm saying, like, I would apply it and then I would feel like 10-15 minutes later I'd have to reapply it. And with that, I won't be repurchasing it because I literally finished this in like 3 weeks of having it, and it was like $12. So yeah, I will not be repurchasing this. It's nice if you're not somebody like me that has like really dry lips and you don't need something on your lips all the time. This would be good, but honestly, it's gonna be a no for me. I did like it. It did not irritate my lips, which was good, but it's just something that I was expecting a little bit more from, if you get what I'm saying. Let's get into one of the last products. I have 2 more products. This is from Prequel. This is their hand wrap hand cream. And as you can see, I literally squeezed this so there was nothing left. This is one of my favorite hand creams of all time. I genuinely love Prequel products. I think they're really high quality at such an affordable price point. So this, you guys, if you have dry skin and you want something that's going to be like waterproof when you wash your hands, and that's just really gonna help hydrate your skin, especially right now in the winter, you're gonna wanna try this. It's like $12 or $15, I forget, but it's around that range. You guys, this lasted me a very, very long time. So during Black Friday, I think it was on sale for like 10 bucks. I went ahead and repurchased another one because I was like, I cannot be without this. Like I literally have this in my work bag because my hands, you guys, get so dry, it's actually insane. And then one of the last, I actually have 2 more products. I have a lip product and then my favorite moisturizer. So this is the Fenty Beauty Hydra Visor. This is their moisturizer with SPF 30 in it. You guys, I use this every single day underneath my makeup. If you're looking for a good moisturizer that's not gonna separate your makeup, that's gonna hydrate your skin, that's also gonna give you, what was I saying? That's also gonna give you SPF protection, you're gonna wanna pick this up. I've been using this for years and I've gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of it. I'm a creature of habit when it comes to my skincare. So this, the Kalei, what's the other thing? The Good Molecules, like those are continuous repurchases of mine. So yeah, I've already repurchased this because cannot be without it. And then the last product that I want to talk to you guys about is from Haus Labs. This is their, what is this called? PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze. This is in the shade Praline. You guys, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there is nothing left in this packaging. I absolutely love these from House Moms. I think they're very underrated. For a plumping gloss or a plumping like lipstick, essentially, I guess I would maybe call it, without that like really annoying, irritating, like plumping feeling. Like, don't get me wrong, I do love my intense like plumping like lip products, but this, you guys, is really nice when you just want to throw something on really quick and you don't really want to have to think about it. This is going to plump your lips, it's going to leave them looking shiny, and it's also going to give you nice payoff, you guys. When I mean there's nothing left in here, like there's literally nothing left, but I swatched what I could on my hands. You guys can kind of get an idea. I love this. I really love this. Like I said, I do keep it like on me when I'm at work because it's just so easy and it does last a long time. So unlike the Bioma lip mask, this literally would like be done on my lips in like 2 seconds. I'd put it on and I literally within like 5 minutes I'd be like, I gotta reapply, it's already gone. This I can go like a solid hour with without having to reapply, and I absolutely love it. You don't have to think about it. You can literally just put it on your lips. It's not too pigmented where if you mess up, it's gonna be noticeable, if you know what I'm saying. This, I literally just take it out, reapply it, go like that, and then I go on my way. So yeah, I love this. I do have this shade. I did repurchase this, and I do have the shade Macaroon. That one is really nice. It's just a little too pinky for me when I'm this pale. So when I'm tanner, I do really love the shade Macaroon, but this, you guys, is perfect for me right now. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend these. Again, this is the Haus Labs PhD Lip Glaze. So it actually launched like this time last year, like in 2024. I tried it, I immediately fell in love with it and was like, all right, I need this in my rotation all the time. So that completes this video. I feel like at least once a month I'm filming an empties video for you guys because I constantly feel like I'm going through so many products. So this, you guys, I feel like it was long overdue, but I know that it wasn't because I just literally filmed a empties video like not that long ago. So let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products and what you guys think, and let me know if you think that this is like a ridiculous like item to constantly repurchase. I love it, and like I will always repurchase it because it's just an experience and it's just so nice and refreshing, especially in the morning. Like in the morning, I'm a mess, you guys. I'm puffy, I'm tired, my eyes burn, and I need something that wakes me up, and this is like an instant wake up. So love that. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please let me know in the comments again if you have tried any of these products and what you think. Always thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.